Hi guys! For today's video, may pasalubong si Papa. Hindi mamahalin pero panalo. May pasalubong si Papa na langka galing sa kapitbahay. Real talk, hindi lahat ng blessing galing sa pera. Minsan, isang langka na bigay ng kapitbahay, sapat na para magsama-sama ang pamilya at magpasalamat. Si Papa may dalang pasalubong na fresh na langka, simpleng bagay pero solid yung saya. Ganito ang buhay probinsya. Nagtutulungan, nagbabahaginan, at marunong mag-appreciate ng maliit na bagay. Tayo, nagpapasalamat sa totoong kayamanan, pamilya, kabutihan ng kapitbahay, at pagkain na pinagsasaluhan. Simpleng moment lang yan because authenticity always wins. Authenticity always wins. Nabulol ako. Kaloka. Thank you sa kapitbahay. Sulit, sarap ng binigay na langka. Minsan, hindi kailangan mahal para maging espesyal. Thank you sa kapitbahay sa masarap na langka. Simpleng bigayan pero malaking bagay para sa pamilya. Ganito ang tunay na probinsya vibes. Marunong mag-share, marunong magpasalamat, at masaya sa simpleng biyaya. Always appreciate small blessing kasi yan ang totoong yaman. Hindi lahat ng yaman pera. Minsan, saging saba at tunay na kaibigan. Sa panahon ngayon, sobrang bilis ng mundo pero ang tunay na koneksyon, ibang level pa rin. May kaibigan si Papa na nagbigay ng saging saba. Simpleng bagay para sa iba pero malaking blessing para sa pamilya. Ito yung klase ng kabutihan na hindi mo mapibili. Hindi kailangan milyonaryo para makapagbigay. Minsan, ang pinakasulit na tao sa buhay mo, sila yung tahimik lang pero laging may nalasakit. Respect sa mga taong marunong mag-share kahit simple lang ang meron. Doon nagsisimula ang tunay na abundance. Thank you sa kaibigan ni Papa na masarap na saging saba. Grateful hearts wins different. From a tiny seeds to fruit. Indian mango ni Papa. Namunga na finally. Years ago, nagtanim lang si Papa ng Indian mango. Walang kasiguraduhan, walang shortcut, tubig, araw, patient, at consistency lang. Ngayon, namumunga na. At ito kami, pumipitas at sabay-sabay kumakain ng bunga na effort at tiyaga. Ganito ang buhay, hindi lahat instant. Yung mga bagay na may totoong value, pinaghihirapan muna bago ma-enjoy. This is bigger than mangoes. This is about family, patient, and planting something today na mapapakinabangan mo tomorrow. Kaya sa lahat ng may pangarap dyan, keep planting, keep working. Darating din ang bunga. Hilaw na Indian mango with asin, sweet guyabano, probinsya, food vibes. Bagong pitas at hilaw na Indian mango, sausaw sa asin, tapos may fresh na guyabano fruits pa. Simple food, real happiness. Ito yung mga moments na sobrang authentic. Walang arte, walang filter, pero solid ang sarap at banding kasamang pamilya. The truth, hindi kailangan ng mamahaling pagkain para maging masaya. Sometimes, the best experience come from straight from your backyard. Maniba na papaya, asin at suka. Simple foods pero sobrang sarap. Ito yung klase ng pagkain na hindi mo mabibili yung feelings. Papaya na tanim ni Papa, maniba na. Fresh, penitas, tapos sausa sa asin na may suka. Grabe, sobrang sarap. Minsan, yung tunay na happiness, wala sa mamahaling restaurant. Nasa bakuran lang. Nasa simpleng pagkain, nasa moment kasama ang pamilya. Kamuting kahoy ni Papa, diskarte, sarap, nilaga at minatamis, panalong probinsya food. Yung tanim ni Papa na kamuting kahoy, ngayon, pagkain na namin. Yung iba, nilaga, simple, healthy, busog. Yung iba, ginawang minatamis, sobrang sarap. Legit comfort food. Buko from Papa's tanim. Ginawang kulabo, sobrang fresh, sobrang real. We're talking about buko straight from Papa's tanim. Simple, raw, real, homegrown. And you know what we did? We turned it into kulabo, fresh boko, natural sweetness, homemade energy, zero fake vibes. From tree to hands to kitchen to kulabo. No filters, no pretending, just pure, honest food. And let me tell you something. This is what happiness tastes like. Not expensive, not complicated, just real. No fancy ingredients, no filter, just pure farm to table goodness. This is your reminder. The best thing in life are often already around you. Grow it, pick it, make it, and enjoy it. Most people see kawayan is a simple bamboo. Pang pins, pang bahay. Pero sa amin, opportunity yan. Lahat ng tumutubo may value. Kapag may bamboo shoot, si papa at mama hindi nag-iisip twice. Pitas agad, linis agad, linang agad. Cutting bamboo shoot, peeling layers, fresh harvest, close up. Hindi lang ito basta tinatapon or hinahayaan. Ginagawa namin gulay, niluluto, pinapartner sa kanin. Boom! Simple pero sulit. Yung iba, ginagawang atsara. Imagine that bamboo shoot turned into something tangy, crunchy, addicting. That's not food, that's mindset. People always think you need more money, more tools, na you need more creativity. Sa kawayan pa lang ni Papa, may pagkain, at minsan pwede mo rin pang negosyo. Next time you see bamboo, don't scroll past life opportunities. Look closer. There's always value where others don't look. Let's go and stay hungry. Sa bakuran ni Papa, ang kawayan hindi lang pang structure, pang buhay din. From bamboo shoot to gulay at atsara, pinapakita namin kung paano gawin ang value ang simpleng meron sa paligid. Sa tanim ni Papa at Mama, guayabana fruits are growing straight from the backyard. No corporate farm, just patient consistency and care. And now, we're picking it fresh and turning it into juice. Real fruit, real life. If you can appreciate something as simple as backyard fruit, you already ahead of people chasing status. Because gratitude plus consistency, abundance. Small tree, that small harvest, that small moment, that where everything starts. Keep going. From tanim ni Papa to kamote harvest. Today, we harvested kamote straight from the soil na siya mismo ang itinanim. And let me tell you this is what real success looks like. Dirty hands, simple life, but full of value. Growing your own food or appreciating small wins, you're missing out big time. When you plant something and you wait, you learn life. You learn discipline. You learn that nothing good comes overnight. You don't get reward without root work. This kamote, it's not just food. It's reminder. Start small, stay consistent, trust the process, respect the grind. And shout out to Papa because this is real legacy building. And alright, let's eat this kamuti now. And remember, you control your effort, not your excuses. This gabi changed our ulam game. Simple life, big flavor. Today, we harvest gabi from Mama's garden and turn into a simple but super sarap na ulam. This is what real life looks like. Small land, big gratitude, real food on the table. If you think success is only about money, think again. Sometimes success is just having food grown by your family. We cook, eat simple, boiled gata or whatever style your family does, and boom, ulam solved. no stress, just life. So, if you're watching this thinking you're behind in life, pause. You're not. You're just growing like this Gabi. Slow, hidden, but powerful. Papa's kamuting kahoy didn't come from a store. It came from patience, soil, sweet, and belief. And now, it's on the table as ginataang kamuting kahoy with fresh dahon. Simple food, big value. Kamuting kahoy leaves, coconut milk, boom! Ginataang ulam, that is wealth most people don't see. It's your papa planting kamuting kahoy in the soil and forgetting about it until one day, boom, harvest time. At hindi lang yung laman ang kinakain, pwede rin yung dahon. Walang matatapon. You cook it in gata. At ayun, meron na po tayong masarap na ulam na ginataan sa dahon ng kamuting kahoy. This simple ibos with sweet sauce, that's childhood, that's street corner memories, that's Filipino comfort food and its purest form. No fancy plating, just rice wrapped, steamed, then drawn in sweet sticky sauce that hits different. If you grow up with this, you already know. If you didn't, you're about to understand why simple foods wins every time. From visitors to workers, real quick, bayi-bayi story. Akala nila bisita sila pero biglang naging tagadikdik ng kakanin.
Ang nag-bayi-bayi, puro giant.
Ang lusong daw, paalang katagko.
Ganito sa probinsya, walang bisi-bisita, trabaho agad. Sa bahay namin, may bayi-bayi kaming kakanin. Simple lang pero grabe sa sarap kapag freshly made. So we started preparing it. Chill lang, family moment. Tapos boom, dumating biglang mga tita ko at pinsan ko. Now listen closely. Instead of just sitting, chismis or kamusta, biglang sila na ang taga-assign. One is founding the bayi-bayi. One mixing, one is laughing habang pinagpapawisan, and me, I'm just watching and thinking, this is the real definition of family. Walang guest mood. Everybody contributes, everybody builds, everybody eats what's everybody worked for. That's the energy. And when we finally cook it, yun, sobrang lambot, sobrang tamis, sobrang worth it. Not just kakanin, it's memory, it's teamwork, it's love in edible form. Our bayi-bayi kakanin session become a teamwork moment when tita, lola, and cousins arrived and ended up holding pan and prepare everything. Real province life, real family, real memories. If you grow up like this, don't forget it. And if you didn't, this is your sign to bring your family together and build something simple but real. Like and share, and don't underestimate small food moments. They are big life moments. And that's all for today's video mga palalabs. Thank you so much for watching and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have a nice day everyone.